There are no ordinary used cars here. We only do one thing: disassemble the vehicle to the frame level and rebuild it to the highest standard. The engine is the heart of the car, and we will never compromise. After fully disassembling it, replace the original facets so that it can be restored to its best state, with no power and fuel economy that can be criticized. The transmission system, rear axle, and cab have all been disassembled for inspection. The chassis was treated with sandblasting to remove rust, and then powder coating was applied to prevent rust. Every step is aimed at making it more reliable than a new car. Are you worried about the quality? You can visit the factory at any time, and I will accompany you from the first square to the last cut. We will not discuss the price issue until you are satisfied.